jungle.
Something's not right.
I feel it too.
For the first time in jungle history, the citizens will choose their leader.
Here we are seeing some posters for the candidates who have just stand for the post of the leader. A monkey, Mr. Lion, and that is Mr. Giraffe. So all these ones are candidates. Let's wait.
We stand at a crossroads. Look at your brothers and sisters. They are with us. Together we'll triumph.
Hear my voice, for it carries the weight of ages and wow.
Dear one, within you lies a strength as vast as this savanna. Let it guide you towards the light of hope.
Welcome, citizens of the jungle, to debate night. Tonight we listen, we think, we decide. First question: what have you done, or what will you do, for jungle development?
We built tree schools. We repaired the river bridge. We planted banana farms for every family.
You built, yes, but did you protect? The borders are weak. The jungle must be strong.
Development without unity falls like a short tree in a storm. We must build and protect together. There are rumors of missing mango taxes. Who is responsible?
These are just jungle rumors spread by jealous claws.
A strong leader does not fear investigation. If mangoes are missing, let transparency grow tall.
She really likes tall examples.
The jungle needs a roar, not jokes.
The jungle needs brains, not just teeth. Order! Order in the jungle!
If you lose, will you accept the results?
For the peace of the jungle, yes.
If the vote is fair, yes.
Peace is taller than power.
In a jungle without internet, truth travels by voice, by drum, and by courage.